Don't eat this, by the way. It's corny.
So we had
started. I didn't even start. And go.
So we had a great time at the Salt Rock Grill, and the food was delish. As you saw, it was gorgeous too. So we enjoyed date day, and we're so thankful for our RV lifestyle, because I can guarantee you we wouldn't be taking this many vacations and going to see all these many places had we not been able to do this. So,
And a 15-year-old watching this.
yes, he's so awesome. We love you, Nathan. You're so good. Yes. So, thanks for hanging out with us today, guys. Talk to you later.